Mommy. Here's the baby.
A giraffe. Catman.
Sorry. And here's the mommy. Here's the bear. Here's the
Kitten.
Yeah, I'm in a video.
Tana, that's, those are his giraffes. Now be nice.
Can I have this one? One in there. Can I have this one all day long? The one in there.
Let's ask Tanner. Those are Tanner's.
Can I have one of these? No.
He said nope.
I want one of them. No.
No. He said no, those are his giraffes.
I want this one. No. It's funny. It's my giraffe.
I'll get it back. Look at all those. Look at all your. See on the camera. Look. Okay, no. Okay, go put them over there in the pile. Yeah. You're looking on the camera. Look at that. Yeah.
It's fine, Mom.
Let's see over there.
It's fine, Mom.
Yeah.
Here's Hagrid.
Go look. Go over there. What do you say? What do you think?
Okay.
What?
Walk.
Look at me. Are you a mama's boy or daddy's boy?
Daddy boy.
What?
No, mommy's boy.
Oh, first a daddy's boy, now a mama's boy.
No, mommy's boy.
You're a mama's boy, that's right.
And Ryan, I'm fast to the class.
What?
And I want to go by the engine.
Aw, look at you, cutie pie. And all your giraffes.
No.
No, he doesn't want them on his giraffes, Caitlin. He just needs to throw it away. He doesn't want them on his giraffes. That's his. Leave his giraffe pile alone. Okay, say bye-bye, camera. Bye. Say we love you, camera.
We love you, Camera and Grandma Tia.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa Pat.
Bye, Grandma Tia. Bye, Daddy.
What about Grandma in Georgia?
Bye, Grandma in Georgia.
And
Bye, Papa. Bye, Tucker. Bye.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye, Grandpa.
Bye.